This plain English video was created by Kimberly Velasquez and Enrique Mediola and Jorge Garcia. Our main idea is force and motion. This is our picture of the main idea, box X and box Y. Our question to the main idea is what happens to box X and box Y as a result of the forces. Is it A, box X starts moving, speeding up, and box Y remains at rest? Or is it B, box X starts moving at constant speed, and box Y remains at rest? Or is it C, box X starts moving at constant speed and box Y starts moving, speeding up? Or is it D, box X starts moving, speeding up, and box Y starts moving at constant speed? The correct answer is A, box X starts moving, speeding up, and box Y remains at rest. This is because, as you can see, box X is an unbalanced force. When on the left, it has a greater force than on the right, so it will change motion. Box Y is a balanced force. When both sides are the same force, it will not change motion, which means it will stay at rest. Since box Y is at rest, it stays at rest. Yeah. And it's going to be a balanced force since they are opposite in direction, but equal in magnitude. And box X is going to be an unbalanced force since they are opposite in direction and unequal in magnitude. The probability of picking B is rational because box Y is always at rest, so it will stay at rest. But box X is always in motion, so it also can stay in motion. Also, the probability of picking C is also rational because box X is always changing motion. Box Y starts at rest and is acted on by balanced forces. It will remain at rest. Also, the probability of picking D is rational because box X is starting moving and hashtag speeding up. Since it starts at rest and box Y starts at rest, and there are balanced forces acting on it, it will remain at rest. Back to you, Kimberly Velasquez.
For box X, there is a net force acting to the right since the arrow going to the right is longer than the arrow to the left, and a net force greater than 0 causes a change in an object's speed. Since the box is initially at rest, it will speed up in the same direction as the force to the right. For box Y, there is a net force of 0. The two forces cancel each other since they are pointing in opposite directions and are the same length, indicating they have the same strength. When net force of 0 acts upon an object, the object does not change its motion. Since box Y starts at rest, it remains at rest. Okay, so let's review. The box X is an unbalanced force because they are opposite in direction and unequal in magnitude. Since box X will change in motion too, and box Y is a balanced force because they are opposite in direction but equal in magnitude. So box Y will stay at rest, will not change in motion. So this is the end of our lesson about the main idea of force and motion and our problem to the main idea, which was what happens to box X and box Y as a result of the force. Hope you know enough about force and motion. Bye.